All right, guys, Homestead Know-How Life is good. It's been a little bit. Moving our pigs around. We got some rain, and as you can see, they're demolishing this smaller pen. So it's time for us to get this one ready. The problem with this is they can still squeeze through these holes if they really want to. So I don't think they're going to climb up too high and squeeze through, but I do have to worry about these two here. So I went to the dump the other day at the landfill, and a guy had replaced the decking board on his trailer with new 2x6s. These are 12 footers, and he was going to throw these out. And I said, hey, we can just transfer those to my trailer, and he was fine with that. So what I'm doing is I'm splitting the difference between the two, closing the gap, and I'm using fence staples. These are about an inch and a quarter long. And I'm going every so often, I'm putting a fence staple, and what that's going to do is that's going to keep the hog or the pig, right now the little baby pig, from being able to get out. So we're going to do this all the way around. I happen to have enough to do 143 feet, and then I've got a couple more pieces in my barn that I can use. That's just scrap as well. So all this is scrap. I was trying to come up with a way to do this on the cheap. I was thinking about pallets, didn't have any. And I need to get these guys moved, so I'm going to use these. And, you know, we'll probably just leave these on here and let them finish their cycle of life and then discard them. And we're also going to make another hog pen, but I'm going to try to do maybe a smaller space in between. So, guys, we're going to put this on, and I'll show you the finished product. Alright, guys, so we've got our boards up all the way around. This was all scrap lumber, the biggest majority of it, except for a couple small pieces we picked up at the dump from a trailer. A guy was throwing it away. So as you can see, the pigs are over there now. They're nice and happy. Got a couple shelters for them there. Got a pallet down over there that I'm going to use for feed. A couple logs in there. We can flip those over every now and again, and they can get worms and stuff out of them. So they was in this pen, and we had moved them and moved them and moved them, and then the other day it rained and they made that a muddy mess. Moved them over here, and that was like this last night, and as you can see, that's what they did. So we got to work today, put those pieces up, and I just pulled it over, and I disconnected the corner over there where it had these clamps, and as you can see, they're happy as hogs. So they got a lot bigger place now. And I'm probably gonna make this pen bigger. This is a pen, I think the most we've had in here was 4. And it gets pretty sloppy, which pigs like the mud and all that. So but we're gonna get their water, let them root around. And then we're also gonna be doing a pig water that we're gonna make out of a 55-gallon drum. So we might do a video on that. Alright, guys, Homestead Know-How. It's been a while since I've done a video. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Hope you all have a blessed day.